I am this close to finishing a project that I cannot wait to share with you. I have painted a faux stone wall behind our wood stove. And so here's a little sneak peek of what is coming up next week. Here's a picture of the wall beforehand. And here's a picture, a close-up of one of the rocks that I painted. So I'll be showing you how to do that. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you know when that one is live. But for today, I have a very delicious recipe for you. It's quick, it's easy, and I think you're gonna love it. Boy, do I have a good recipe for you today. This is one of our family's all-time favorites. It's called Go With Anything Corn Salsa. At least that's what I call it, because it really does go with everything. Dave and I have been trying to eat more whole foods plant-based over the last couple months. We haven't been 100%. It hasn't even been possible with as much as we've been down at the hospital with our grandson and just doing a lot of traveling and whatnot. But as much as we can when we're home, we're trying to go plant-based. And for a couple reasons. One is that I want to try to help Dave reverse his heart disease. I want him to be around for a very long time. And after reading the China study and actually diving in and reading everything I could get my hands on, I am very convinced that a plant-based diet is the healthiest diet for someone with heart disease. Now, please don't go by me. I want you to do your own research because I am not a doctor, but this is my conviction. And so even though I know that I'm not going to live in a world without fish and chips the rest of my life, so I will be having fish and chips. You can count on that. At home, as much as I can, we're going without meat or animal products, and we're eating some really wonderful, whole, delicious, good for you food. So I'm going to share some of those recipes with you. And even if you have never even thought about going plant-based, it would be really great if you would try some of these because they're delicious and because it's never wrong to put good food in your body. What I think is wrong is when we blithely consume food, which if you look at the wrapper on the back, some of those ingredients we can't even pronounce. And I just have this other conviction that if we can't pronounce it, we probably shouldn't be putting it in our bodies. So when you are focused on whole foods, you avoid all of that. So all the prepackaged stuff is out the window. Anyway, this is a wonderful recipe because it goes with everything. It's wonderful on chips. It's a great side dish. It's great at picnics. I love it on a baked potato or in a taco, tofu or otherwise. And I'll show you what we had the other night for dinner because I put it in a bowl and it was yummy. So sit back and watch how you make Go With Anything corn salsa, otherwise known as Shannon's Addiction.